Alright, I just got this lathe from Amazon, $220. It's the Mophorn. It's got 4 speeds. Can turn up to 14 inches in diameter and 40 inches in length. Came with these 3 tools here. This is one of the tips. You had to put it together right here. Put these things on here. But it's actually worth the money, I think. Turns pretty well. You loosen these 4 screws here, and you'll loosen the tension of the belt, and then you can adjust it to these right here. These slots are your speed levels. You just make sure that each one's lined up with it. Put this back in. I have mine on the lowest speed right now because it's actually as fast as I need it. But yeah, so that's the faceplate it comes with. It's not the best. I'll probably end up buying another one that'll be better. Just screw it in there. This is what came with this too here. But yeah, it's not too bad. It does vibrate a lot with a shape that's not perfectly round. But once you start working at it and get it round, the vibration will slowly work itself away. But this honestly is just, you probably won't use it that long. But for $220, can't really beat it. I mean, it's not cast iron. It's one of the bad things. So it's Chinese made. But let's show you how it works. Oh, that is the Mophorn lathe off of Amazon for $220. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe for more videos. I'll be making cups, all kinds of things out of wood. Just like and subscribe.